Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I would be happy if you subscribe to my channel before the video. Let's go to the video.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
Hi, Tom. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Are you ready for class?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Not really. I forgot my notebook.
Oh no. Do you need paper?
Yes, please. Can you give me one?
Sure. Here you go.
Thanks, Emma. What's your favorite subject?
I like math. It's fun. And you?
I like history. I enjoy learning about old things.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I love football. What about you?
I like basketball.
Do you play basketball at school?
Yes, sometimes. I play with my friends.
That's cool. Are you good at basketball?
I think so. Do you play football every day?
No, I play on Fridays and Sundays.
What do you do after school?
I play football, and then I do my homework.
Do you like homework?
Not really. It's boring. What about you?
I don't like it, but it's important.
What time do you finish your homework?
I finish at 6 o'clock. And you?
I finish at 7 o'clock.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, I like Mr. Brown. He's funny. Do you like him?
Yes, he's nice. Who's your least favorite teacher?
I don't like Mrs. Green. She gives too much homework.
I know. It's too much.
What's your favorite lunch at school?
I like pizza. What about you?
I like sandwiches. They're yummy.
Do you buy lunch or bring it from home?
I bring lunch from home. My mom makes it.
That's nice. I buy lunch at school.
Do you have a pet at home?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Bella. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Do you take care of Max?
Yes, I feed him and play with him. Do you take care of Bella?
Yes, I give her food and water.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to my grandma's house. What about you?
I'm playing football with my team.
That sounds fun. Do you like playing in a team?
Yes, it's great. Do you visit your grandma often?
Yes, we go there every month. Tom, do you like music?
Yes, I like pop music. And you?
I like pop music too. Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen to music before bed.
That's nice. Do you play any instruments?
No, but I want to learn the guitar. Do you play an instrument?
Yes, I play the piano.
Wow, that's cool. Is it hard?
A little, but it's fun. Tom, the bell is ringing. Let's go to class.
Okay, let's go.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel to support us. Bye, until the next video.